Okay, children. So the sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes sense. Okay? It must have a verb, starts with a capital letter, ends with a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Right? For example, he's school. Does this make any sense? No. He goes to school. This makes sense. Right? Okay, now let's see a few more sentences. The new car, does it look complete? No, right? The new car looks great! Exclamation, right? So this is a complete sentence. What is? Is it complete? No. What is your name? Question mark, right? It's a question. Reena is. Reena is what? It's not complete, right? Reena is doing her homework. Now this is complete. Yes. Look at. Look at what? Look at that tree. Okay. Now, let's look at the basic sentence structure. Subject plus verb, subject plus verb plus object. Okay? The cat jumps on the bed. Here, the cat is the subject because we're talking about the cat. Okay? Whatever we're talking about in the subject, okay, that is the subject, the cat. What is the cat doing? It's the action, right? It is jumping. The cat jumps. What does the cat do? It jumps. And where is it jumping? On the bed. The bed is the object. Okay? Receiver of the action. Right? Subject is the one we're talking about in the sentence. And subject is always the doer of the action. Okay? Verb is the action. And object is the receiver of the action. Okay? Let's look some more sentences. The man ate pizza. Who are we talking about? The man. So the man is the subject. Ate is the verb, right? What did he do? He ate. What did he eat? He ate the pizza. So pizza is the object, okay? The bear slept in a cave. What are we talking about in the sentence? The bear. So the bear is the subject, okay? Slept. What did it do? It slept. That's the action it did. So that's the verb, okay? In a cave. Where did it sleep? In a cave. Object, okay? Now, what is a subject? Subject is what or who the sentence is about. Okay? In the above sentences, the sentences we discussed, the cat, the man, the bear, because the sentences are about them. Okay? Now coming to verb. What is a verb? Verb is the action the subject is doing. Okay? In the sentences that we discussed above, jumps, ate, slept are the verbs. They tell us what the subject is doing, right? Now coming to object. What is an object? Object is who or what receives the action. In the above sentences, the bed. Where is the cat jumping? On the bed. Okay. Pizza. What did the man eat? Pizza. Right? A cave. Where did the bear sleep? It slept in a cave. Right? Okay. The dog runs down the street. Okay. Who is the subject? The dog. Why? Because the sentence is about the dog. What is it doing? It's running. What does it do? It runs. So that's the verb. Where does it run? It runs in the down the street. So that's the street is was the object. Who is the sentence about? The dog. What is it doing? What does it do? It runs. Where does it run? Down the street. Right? Okay. So sometimes sentences are formed without using object. The object is assumed. Okay? The boat is sinking. Right? Here we did not mention where the boat is sinking. Right? It is obvious it is sinking in some kind of water body. It could be a river, it could be a sea, it could be an ocean. Okay? So the boat is sinking. It is assumed that it is sinking in water. Which water? It is not important here. Okay? The boat is sinking. In water is not important. This makes sense. So we need not write the object. Okay? Okay. Okay. So now let's look at these sentences. Look at the board. Your teacher is Did we write a subject here? No, there is no subject here. Your teacher is telling you, look at the board. So you is assumed here. Right? You look at the board. Your teacher will not say you look at the board. She'll point at you and say, look at the board. Sit down. Your mom said, sit down. Okay? So you sit down. You is assumed here because you are in front of someone and they are asking you to sit down. Okay? Do your work. Okay? Again here you is assumed. Stop talking. Okay? Again here you is assumed. So there are some sentences which can be made without an object and some sentences without a subject. But verb is always there. Okay? Look, sit, do, talk. Okay? All of these are verbs, right? You need the verb to make a sentence. Sometimes you can miss the subject or the object. But verb is always there. Okay?